Alright, and I'm back at it. This time using again the Cicada lure that I recently got. See if I can catch a carp. Oh, there's a nice little, what do they call those? Chiclets, cichlids? Don't even know. Ooh. Oh snap! Oh snap! I know y'all saw that. Oh, no freaking way! No freaking way! No way! No freaking way! No way! Oh my gosh! That little lure caught me my freaking bass! Oh my god! Oh! Oh, baby, oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Please don't come off! Please don't come off! Oh no! Oh! Oh! Isn't that a freaking? Oh my god! I gotta run! I gotta run to the car! I gotta get my scale! Oh my! This little bitty! Look at this little one, this little bitty lure just got me my best PB of the year. Oh my gosh, I gotta run. Oh, oh. I got my kids still waiting for me in there. While they're eating their lunch. Oh, gotta run before it's too, I don't want this bass to die. Oh my freaking gosh. Oh gosh, well, how big is this? I gotta weigh it. I gotta weigh it. Oh, put that down. Look at this, Joshua. Look at this.
Put it back in the water fast.
I know. Let me get the scale out. Oh my gosh.
It's gonna kill it.
It's not gonna die. It's not gonna die, okay? Oh man. Yeah, at first I thought it was a carp. Trying to get with her. Yeah, I know it's moving. Alright. Oh, dang it. Whoa. Ah. Hey, this thing wants to chew. I know, I'm gonna put it back. Don't worry. 4.67 pounds. Oh my freaking gosh. Somebody just hooked at me too. All right.
You got the big fish?
Yes, I got a big fish. Oh. Oh, this is why I love this place. This is why I love this place. Oh. Big old mouth. Oh my gosh. Oh man. Ooh. Oh, I'm just super excited. Oh. There he goes. There he goes. Took off. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh. I love this place. Guys, y'all want to see some more of that? Y'all know what to do. Sub to my channel, like my videos, share. I'm gonna do a giveaway on those cicadas, but I'm gonna buy the better one off of the Mega Bet with hold on, I gotta get my breath. Made by Mega Bass. This is like about like a $16 to $20 lure each. I'll buy the 3 different colors that you need. One lucky winner will get all 3 colors. But damn, for little bitty hooks that thing has, oh, Oh my goodness. Time for me to go home. I have made my day already. Oh. Oh. I love this. I love this. My goodness. I have never caught a bass. Well, the only time I caught a bass that big was in Seguin, Texas, in the Guadalupe River. And I would say it was bigger than that though, but it was like about a few years back. My fist fit in his damn mouth. But this one's gotta be, this is what I call a top water hog. Sub to my channel, guys, for more.